Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Subraj here with you. I'm very excited and very happy to be here to show you the new feature of this little application. It's called Home Management. Here you have lots of cameras in your home, but you have to set the corresponding cameras with the room, right? The right room. So I will show you how you can do that. First of all, you'll open your little application and then you'll go to the Me button, just right bottom corner, and then you'll select Home Management. After that, you select My Home, and then you will enter your home name. Maybe you can just write My Home. That is very easy, and then you will save it. After you save it, you can also change the home name, like room name. Sorry, basically in a home you have many rooms, and then you want to change the room names. You will click again on My Home and see Room Management. You'll click on Room Management. You can see all the rooms we have listed over there. So you can see, let's say, living room, but I want to turn the living room into the baby room. So I will just click it again, click it on, and living room, I'll just write baby room, okay? And then confirm. This is set. That's done. And then I want to add the corresponding device with my room. And for this one, you have to go back to the home page of this little application. And then you will select the room. Let's select baby room. And then you can see here, add device. And I will click it, add device, and I'll find the corresponding device for my room. And it's very easy to connect. And even though you want to purchase a new camera in the future, no problem. You just can set a room in advance in your home management, and then once you have the camera, you can just set this camera with the corresponding room. That is very easy. Alright, so there could be a question arise: what if I already have connected a device with my little application, but I haven't created any home? What can I do right now? Don't worry, this is very easy. You can see this device you have already connected. Don't worry, I just showed you how can you create the home. Just follow this step. You will go back again, My Home, Home Management, and you will create your home, right? The same way I did just now. And after that, this is done, save. And then when you go back to the home page, you can see that this device is already in your home. You can see the My Home, and the device is already connected to your home, but it hasn't connected to the corresponding room. But right now you have to choose a room. Let's say you want to choose the living room, okay, or maybe baby room, whatever it is. You just click on first all device. You can see the device there, and you can see the three dots just right over there. And then you click on the three dots and you see Room Management. And then you click on Room Management and you just select which room you want to connect to your device. Let's say I want to connect my living room, and then I connect my living room, and then I will just click on the add button there, this plus button, and then you click save. That's all. So when you return to your home, you can see the living room, this is already added to your living room. This is very simple, okay, just easy peasy. Alright, that is all about today's video. And if you enjoyed the video and if it is helpful, please write the comment down below. Let me hear you, let me see you there, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.